How to go into split screen mode, and this is basically using two apps at the same time within one display. This is a Nothing phone with Android 15, Nothing OS 3. The fastest way to go into split screen mode is first, if you have some apps open already and you want to go into split screen, go ahead and perform the recents view mode, whether it's the buttons or the gestures. And once you're in this view mode, you'll see these apps like this here that you have open already. And you want to go ahead and tap on the icon itself here, and you'll see where it says split screen. Not all apps can do this, but if the option is there, that means that app can. So once you do that, the first app is going to go up here, and then you'll go ahead and browse over and look for that other one that you want it to be in. So for example, if I do this here with Snapchat, and I just recently installed it to get that yellow for that video, but you will see it now into this view mode here. So what you can do now is simply just double tap on the center. That's going to swap the top for the bottom, but you really just cannot expand it. That's just how the software is, which would have been great. But good thing about this is that you can navigate your other app to the bottom together while navigating here at the same time. And that's split screen mode for you. Like in sub, if you want to exit, just pull this all the way down to the bottom or to the top and you're back to normal.